Welcome back, Cat 37. We're going to practice some more planes command. So we're going to use the exact same planes cat part that we used on the previous video where we covered planes, except here we're going to cover planes between other planes. Okay, so we're going to use the exact same file. Okay, so I'm going to reopen the file from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Unless you want to grab it from the zipped folder that I emailed you, don't forget to extract the file before you open the CATIA files. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's already downloaded. Open it. And just like new, right? Okay, so we're going to put the plane between these two existing planes. So let me go ahead and make them a little bit thick. I'm going to right-click Properties and change the color. I'll make them green. There they are. So we're going to put in between these two green planes. Let me hide some of the other stuff. So to hide some of the other stuff, I can go hide. So I'm going to double click here where it says hide show. Double click and let me hide. And hide multiple stuff, as you can see. Okay, once I'm done, I can either deselect. Notice how it stayed orange because I double clicked. And I can either click or hit escape to exit that command. Okay, so let's put planes between these two existing planes. Insert a geoset. New. Enter. And my new planes, I'll make them cyan so they're different from the green. This is optional. All right, so let's put plane between planes. So we're going to use the plane command again in this video. This time we're going to put planes between existing planes. And if you don't see this command, this option at work, it's because you got the basic license and not the advanced. I believe it's the XD2 or 2DX license. Okay, so we're going to put a bunch of planes between the existing green planes that we have. All right, so we're going to go to the plane command, click on plane, and we're going to pick the last option, between. Okay, so the last option is between planes. Okay, so let's pick our planes. And let's say, hey, I want it in the middle. There it is. It's giving me a preview, as you can see. You can also go ratio. You can always reverse. Okay, I'll go middle. And you can also add more. Where's that option? Somehow I missed that option. Okay, they made okay. I was expecting to be able to do multiple. There's the multiple right there. Okay, so we also have this option. Okay, so let me hide this new one I created. Let me hide it, or I can delete it. I'll just hide it. Okay, so that was the plane command, but there's another one if you go to the pull down for planes between. Okay, and again, you may not have this option if you're using the basic license. So I should have read the instructions first. Use the planes between icon. Okay, let's go back. But it was still good practice to use the other commands. So instead of plane command, we're going to use planes between. There it is. So let's pick the green planes. We're going to put planes between these two green planes. Okay, how many do we want? Let's go with 6 and preview. There it is. There's a preview. It's pretty 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 planes equally spaced between the two existing planes. Do you want to create a new set? Sure, why not? Right? It's good to stay organized. You can always turn it off if you just wanted to drop in the new geoset and not create a secondary geoset. And yes, create a secondary geoset in 3, 2, 1, okay. And it creates the secondary geoset. So it's okay to have geosets inside of geosets. You can even drag and drop into another geoset. Whoa, what happened? That's pretty cool. Yeah, you can drag and drop. Let me undrag it and just go to the top of the tree. And there it is back down. So you can move geosets between other geosets. You can just drag and drop. Let me hit undo. Undo, there it is. You can always also insert a geoset inside of another geoset. So that's also another option, or just simply drag it in. Okay, so there it is. We have planes between planes. And we can go ahead and save our work. And I'll just label this one the second planes 2 with my initials, but I will place it in or on the desktop folder for wireframe. And between other planes. Okay, and save it. Okay, so again, there's no due date. End of video.